for a high arc. 538, winner 8. Winner 8. Pay the pass line, pay the odds. It's a 538, guys. Come out, roll. SR is at 9. 6462. If you're this dice set's doing well, 5154 for the yo, according to your mechanic. I'm gonna do it. Just to come out roll right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come out roll. 5154. George, I better not reset the ATS now. Come out roll. 5154. We're gonna try go to get the yo. Yo! Whoa! George, you are a genius. Look at that. Look at that. 6-5. Yo! Wow. Wow. The dice mechanic. Check him out. 6-5. Yo. All tall, guys. Amazing. On axis too. Six. No, that's not on axis, but wow. Gosh. Woohoo! George. Man, I gotta mark that. We got a all tall. That's another 310 right there. Wow. Wow, George, that's amazing. I gotta go back to 6462, but whew. He was actually thinking 5